Come stanno andando le cose?
How are things going? It's not so bad. I'm on P10 this morning, so I'm really happy because it's the second time in this car and it makes a lot of fun, yeah.
Dalla Formula Renault 2000 alla World Series, quali sono le differenze?
From the Renault car to the World Series, what are the main differences? It's not the speed, so it's the brake. It's not so easy to find exactly the braking point, and yeah, that's a big difference.
Okay. Dalle Castellet a Vallelunga e dopo Valencia.
If I find the money, yeah, then I go to Valencia, but maybe not. We will see.
Cosa significa per una ragazza correre contro tanti maschi? What does it mean for a girl to race against all these boys?
It's a good feeling if you're faster than a lot of the boys. It's the best.
Quanto conta la preparazione fisica per una macchina così potente? How does training count for a car that's so heavy and fast?
It's not so easy to drive, but you train. If you train a lot, then it's okay. You have. I train in a special machine with device for the helmet that I can hold the neck. It's not so easy, but if you train a lot, then it's possible.